Hi everyone, I'm from Kerala, India. And today I'm trying to speak with an American accent. I know it's not perfect, I'm still learning, and that's okay. Every journey begins with one small step. So today I'd like to tell you a short story. I hope you enjoy it. One day, a young traveler arrived in a small village. The village was quiet and the people were kind. But there was one strange thing. Right in the middle of the road, there was a huge stone. It was so big that everyone had to walk around it. The traveler asked, "Why doesn't anyone move it?" An old man smiled. Many people tried, nobody could. The traveler nodded. He thought that makes sense. The next morning, he saw the same old man standing beside the stone. The old man pushed it. Nothing happened. He pushed again. Still, the stone didn't move. The traveler smiled. "You're wasting your time." The old man looked at him and simply smiled back. The next day, the old man returned again. He pushed the stone. The day after that, he came back. And the next day, he did the same thing. People laughed. Some people shook their heads. Others said, "Just give up." But the old man never argued. He simply came back every morning. One afternoon, the traveler couldn't stay quiet anymore. He walked over and asked, "Why do you keeping doing this? You've been pushing the stone for days. It hasn't moved even 1 inch." The old man wiped the sweat from his face. Then he smiled. "My goal was never to move the stone." The traveler looked confused. "Then why?" The old man slowly raised his hands. "Look at my arms. They are stronger. Look at my legs. They are stronger too. My back is stronger. My mind is stronger. My patience is stronger." The stone didn't change, but I did. The traveler stood there without saying a word. For the first time, he understood. Sometimes life places a stone in your path, not because you are supposed to move it, but because you are supposed to become stronger by trying. So, if you are learning something new, don't be afraid if progress feels slow. Maybe you are learning English, maybe you are working on your confidence, maybe you are trying a new accent just like me. You don't have to be perfect today, you only have to be better than you were yesterday. Because one day, you'll look back and realize the biggest victory was never moving the stone. It was becoming the person who never stopped pushing. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you in the next story.